Last week, binisita niyo po yung Siquijor,
Oo.
no? Dahil nag-take over na yung gobyerno doon sa
Kapon.
SIPCOR. Yes,
Oo,
yes.
oo.
Na nag-take over ng gobyerno sa SIPCOR dahil hindi kayo happy sa services nila, no? Kahit hindi pa deadline, parang inunahan niyo na at tinanggal niyo na sa kanila yung services na ito.
Sabi ko, hindi na tayo pwedeng mag-antay. Kawawang tao eh. So sabi ko, kunin na natin tayo na magpatakbo.
Oh.
NEA na magpatakbo, DOE, the Department of Energy, kayo na magpatakbo nito. Tapos isama ninyo yung local electrical cooperative. Between all of you, patakbuhin na nyo na yan para may kuryente na. So now, they have, nagdala pa kami ng generator, pati yung tangke ng crudo, kami pang nagdala dahil sira-sira, basta hindi ginagawa. So, now, meron silang excess capacity. I was there yesterday. Maayos naman ang patakbo.
Sabi ng SIPCOR, they will resort to legal means?
Yung mahalaga sa akin ay magkaroon ng kuryente. So, gagawin ko kung anong kailangan kong gawin para magkaroon ng kuryente.
Paano yung mga ibang electric cooperative na medyo poor service din? Dapat ba matakot na rin sila?
The electrical cooperatives were created with the consumers as members. Yun ang concept behind that. So that lahat ng kumukuha ng kuryente doon sa electrical cooperative na yan, membro sila. So yun ang trabaho lang ng electrical cooperative ay kumuha ng kuryente sa national grid at i-distribute sa local. Over the years, ang mga linagay sa sa board ng electrical cooperative, political appointee. Walang alam doon sa patakbo ng electrical cooperative. Kaya nagkaganyan.
Same for
Every
water
time you
service.
make it political, the competence level drops. I'm sorry. But that's the fact of the matter.
Pati yung water services as well, no? I mean,
That's another
we've seen
very
problems
big
there as well.
problem. That's another very big problem.
Oo.
Dahil we have these big service providers supposed to be, pero hindi maayos na naman ang patakbo. You have areas that are very close to Manila that do not have water for 12 hours a day.
Binanggit nyo kanina na pag pinapasukan ng politiko, medyo nagkakaproblema. May hinanakit ba kayo sa mga Villar? Kasi it so happens lang naalala ko yung Prime Water and SIPCOR, both owned by the Villar family.
None of this is personal. You know, they're friends of mine, and I respect them. But we have to fix the problem. Ako naman, we have to fix the problem. People have to have electricity. People have to have water. So whatever the reason is, let's fix it. Let's fix it. Let's just fix it.